here I've got Neffos X1 Max, and let me show you how to activate developer panel on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select about phone, locate software information, and here tap 7 times on build number. And as you can see, from now on you're a developer, so just let's go back. And now developer options appeared right here. You can smoothly use all of them, and for example, if you'd like to activate show tabs feature, you've just did it. As you can see, it's working. To switch it off, just unmark the switcher. If you'd like to deactivate developer panel, just click on the slider again and it will be no longer active. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.